Hi everyone. So today we have an interesting project of this Mercedes E-Class, which we will be converting and facelifting to the new model of 2015 with the entire AMG kit. So this car will be completely transformed into the new shape by Autorounders. And now let me show you what are the things that will be changing in this car. So this entire front side, the grille, headlights, bumper, bonnet, all these will be changed. In rear side also will be changed to the LED ones. So stay tuned. We will update you once this project is complete.
MTCB.
Hi everyone. So today you can see this. It's the same old E-Class E250, which is now modified by Autorounders to the new shape E-Class with an AMG kit. So this full car was customized by Autorounders in Mumbai, and we specialize in premium car maintenance, repair, modification. And let me show you what are the things that we have done in this car. So you can see the headlights are changed from the regular headlights to LED headlights. Even the alloys also are AMG alloys. So the entire front of this car has been changed to Mercedes AMG, which includes all these front parts of bonnet, show grille, bumper, fenders, the side skirts also you can see. Even these are changed. Even the tail light you can see. You can see the tail lights are LED tail lights. Even the exhaust tip are part of the kit. Let me show you the LED headlight also. So you can see that's the new shape headlights. So in case you want to get such modifications done, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are based out of Mumbai. We have a lot of such packages for old model Mercedes, Land Cruiser, Prado, BMW, etc. For which you can call us on 7666 930 930. Even the wooden also has been changed. You can see this wooden finish. It's a matte wooden finish, very premium looking, which has been done in the interior.
MTCB.
सो हाय एवरीवन, ये मर्सिडीज़ जो हमने मॉडिफाई की है ये हमारे कस्टमर मिस्टर वेतन। सो हाय, अगर आप थोड़ा आपका फीडबैक दे सकते हैं।
एक्चुअली जब भी मैं कार यहाँ पे लेके आया था ये मर्सिडीज, तो ये पूरा ओल्ड मॉडल था। अभी मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है बोलने के लिए, इन्होंने ऐसा करके दिया ये मुझे ये कार पूरा मतलब एकदम जैसे अभी बोल नहीं सकता ऐसा मतलब उन्होंने मेरे को कार करके दिया है ये। मतलब मेरा भी इधर ये इधर था, तो अभी मतलब इतना बड़ा हो गया, ऐसा उन्होंने कार मेरे को बना के दिया है।
थैंक यू सो मच, आपने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी। तो आप हमें फ़ोन कर सकते हैं 7666 930 930। थैंक यू गाइस।